Hello, good day. This is Dr. Fix on BMW X6. We have a situation here with this car. After I got the AC fixed, which the customer never believed that it could be possible any longer because we've tried different mechanics and found me on Google when they type car AC mechanics in Abuja. Now, with the success of this fix, that's decided to let me address some other mechanical issues that are plaguing the car. So I previously talked about the poor throttle response that the car is having, and the driver actually complained about it. And I scanned it. I was finding some code relating to turbo boost on the boost. Yeah, turbo boost pressure low. I posted a video something like that on my WhatsApp. So today, while they were driving, then it popped up the check engine. And if you haven't seen this kind of thing before, then you should relax your mind, because I'm gonna be sharing with you what you need, and that's what you're seeing right here. Engine fault, full power no longer available, possible to continue journey, drive moderately, have the problem checked. So that's it. So with this on board, they were actually trying to keep running the car, but when this one popped up, they asked me what the issue was. I tried my possible best to relay the information to them. So at that, the power dropped. So I told them that we'll have to attend to it as ASAP if they are willing to. They say why not? So we get into it. So now, if you have a problem with your Mercedes N54, BMW X6 or N54, which is a code name, that have this issue that you see here, engine fault with full power no longer available, drive moderately. You shouldn't be so worried. Maybe anything is gonna too much happens. All you gotta do is you shouldn't depress the gas pedal really hard. Like in my own case here, I'm just driving moderately to get to the destination where I'm going. That's my garage. Before I let the car cool off, then I perform some other service, which I believe is actually attributed to this very issue right now. Now for the turbo on the boost, pressure on the boost, for most of you who have that issue, if you haven't been able to figure it out, then I would say you should subscribe to my channel and keep watching. I'm going to be posting the video of how I'm going to get this one resolved, so you can be able to figure yours out. All right. And for most of you who are watching who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't think it's a big deal for you to subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. You can, anytime you change your mind, you can unsubscribe. It is not by force. All right. So with that said, all I'm gonna say is stay tuned to our channel. When you subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell icon so that when I post a video on how I solved it, you should be notified, so you can be able to watch it and solve yours. And I'm saying this in respect of some others who have the problem, and maybe some other information they're getting concerning it is not resourceful enough to be able to solve the problem. So here right now, as you can see that I'm driving, there is nothing I can do right now other than to take it drive gradually and get it to where I'm gonna get it to my garage where I'm gonna fix the issue. So in order not to cause more damage to the car, this is apparently like a little sort of limp mode. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. If you have any question further concerning your X6, maybe under boost or whatsoever, or poor throttle response, you feel free to drop me a comment on this section of this video under this video, and I'm going to attend to you ASAP. All right, bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye for now.